Hello, my name is Ray Tucker, the service director for King's Toyota. Today we're going to talk about a few service tips. The most common reason why your brakes are squeaking is it has contacted the squealers, which identify that the vehicle needs service on the brakes. You need to make an appointment with King's Toyota. We'll come in and do a full brake inspection and advise on what the vehicle needs. The second reason is during the weather change, there could be a small time of the year that the brakes suck up moisture from the air, creating a couple squeaks from the first couple pedal applications. If you need more additional information, you can find us at kingstoyota.com or give us a call at 513-583-4333.